Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create and manage notes in Outlook. This is a handy feature for quickly jotting down important reminders, ideas, or tasks without leaving your email environment. Let's dive right in and get you set up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you enter your credentials, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync your data. This ensures that everything is up to date and ready for you to work with. You'll want to make sure your account is fully loaded before proceeding to the next steps. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to navigate to the Notes feature. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find your main menu options. You should see icons for mail, calendar, contacts, and tasks displayed here. However, the Notes menu isn't immediately visible by default. To access it, click on the three-dot icon located in the same area. This will open a small window with additional options. From this list, you'll see Notes as one of the choices. Go ahead and click on Notes, and Outlook will redirect you to the Notes Management window. This is where all your notes will be stored and organized. Now that you're in the Notes section, creating a new note is incredibly simple. Look at the top left part of your screen where you'll find a button labeled New Note. Click on it, and a note window will immediately appear on your screen. This is your blank canvas where you can type in any information you need, whether it's work details, reminders, meeting points, or just quick thoughts you want to save for later. The note editor is straightforward and easy to use, so feel free to add as much or as little text as you need. Once you've finished typing your note, simply close the window. Don't worry, your note is automatically saved. You'll now see your newly created note appear in the Notes panel on the main Notes screen. From here, you can open it directly anytime you need quick access to that information. This makes it incredibly convenient for managing multiple notes and keeping your thoughts organized without cluttering your inbox or calendar. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed notes in Outlook, giving you a quick and efficient way to keep track of important details right within your email app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.